What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your flashlight not working here on your iPhone. Okay, in my case it's working, but I'm going to show you how to double check and how to fix it in here. Now you may be in a situation where your flashlight is simply grayed out and it doesn't even light up, or you may be in a situation where the button lights up but you do not see nothing here at the back. Okay, so I'm going to help you diagnosing this and show you how to fix it in this video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Now, jumping straight into the very first step, I would like to let you guys know that it's very hard for your flashlight to get damaged. I've barely seen mobile devices with flashlight not working, especially Apple devices. It's very rare. So probability is most probably you do have a software problem in here, and that can be sorted out. So first things first, in here you need to double check if the app has permission to use your flashlight. Okay, so if you hop into settings real quick, you want to scroll down all the way to apps down here, hop into apps and then search for that specific application. For example, if it's Instagram, in my case, let me hop into Instagram real quick. I'm going to hop into Instagram. You do have a lot of settings in here. If you're trying to use a specific app in order to use your flashlight, that may be the problem. So double check in case you have flashlight in here, see if it's toggled on. If it's toggled off, then you need to turn it on. I'll give you an example. Let's say that I have here camera off. Okay, so if I open up, for example, my Instagram app, I will not be able to use my camera because I don't have access to it. Same thing happens with flashlight if you're using Snapchat or anything like that. So double check if you do not have it turned off over there. Now, if you're simply trying to use the native flashlight in here and not that one, then you want to double check the brightness intensity in here by pressing and holding on flashlight. And then you'll be able to see in here the intensity. You may be off by any reason, and that may not actually lighting up the correct amount of light or enough to be visible. So double check here the intensity of the lamp as well. Next up, if you simply do have a grayed lamp that doesn't even change, you're going to perform a forced restart on your iPhone. Now, in order to perform a forced restart in here, if you have an iPhone 8 or later models, for example, if you have an iPhone 8, X, 11, 12, 13, all the way to 17, in my case I've got a 16 in here, all you need to do is rapidly tap on volume up, release, and then down, release, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. This is how it goes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm pressing and holding the power button approximately for 6 to 8 seconds, and once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're gonna release the power button. There we go. Let's continue pressing the power button. Apple logo looking at me right now. I'm gonna release the power button and let it turn on alone. Okay, so what essentially this does is it performs a forced restart or simply reboot as if it's coming from a deep sleep, and this really helps out to improve the processing of the phone and restart every single component on your device, and it's something that I do recommend you to perform every 10 to 15 days. This doesn't delete any sort of data, doesn't erase anything. It's just a normal restart here on your phone. Now, if you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, the way to actually force restart it is a bit different. Instead of rapidly tapping volume up, down, and pressing the power button, you only need to press and hold the volume down along with the power button. Press and hold both of the buttons combination until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're gonna release both of the buttons combination to let it turn on. Now, if you have a much older device with a physical home button in here, such as an iPhone 6, you wanna press and hold that physical home button along with the power button, press and hold continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're gonna release both of the buttons combination. Now, please note that if you have a much older iPhone device, such as an iPhone 4 or 5, the power button is usually located at the top. So in order to perform a forced restart, you'll have to press and hold the physical home button along with the power button located at the top. Now, once you're done forced restarting, you want to try using your flashlight, and this should work and help you fixing the problem. Now, if it doesn't work, if the problem persists, check how warm your phone is, because your phone may be hot or may be sending a signal that your phone is hot while it's not. So check if it's warm. If it is, just keep it turned off for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, let it cool down, and then turn on flashlight one more time. Because sometimes it actually gets grayed out for security reasons, for safety purposes, because flashlight creates a lot of heat on your phone. It directly uses your battery to create energy, okay? So that actually heats up the phone, and especially because the phone is made up of metal or aluminum, especially because the phone is made up of aluminum. So it's important for you to double check this, especially if you are exposed to heat or hot environments. Even if you check your brightness, sometimes it doesn't increase further when it gets to 70%. And after sometimes it increases, right? That's because your phone may be hot, and for security reasons or safety precautions, Apple restricts the use of your flashlight and a few features in here that actually make your phone heat much more. Next up, also check camera as well. Try hopping into video, turn on flashlight in here, okay, by tapping here and then flash and turn it on. See if it works. If it works here on video, that's a good point, means that your flashlight is working fine, but simply the app or the regular torch here is not working. And if that's the case, I would recommend you guys to update your software, because you may be having a bug here on your software. To update it, you just need to hop into settings, scroll down, tap into general, and then tap in software update in order to check if you have a pending update software or not. In my case, I do have one, so I will be updating this, as this will definitely fix a specific bug that I don't know which one it is. For example, here I do have solves a few problem in here, bug fixes, and this bug could be, for example, your torch not turning on. So make sure you try updating your phone. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, if you took some value out of my content, consider subscribing, like the video, as it really helps me out. Let me know in the comment section down below if you do have any questions so we can actually discuss further. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech-related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues, or most commonly faced issues, by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section, within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here, so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question, by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.